Hi, welcome to this channel Varia Seri. In this video, we would like to share some interior design ideas, particularly in the kitchen, one of the most challenging spaces to design in a house. Productivity, practicality, and the aesthetic effect are some of the factors to be considered in designing a kitchen. In this video, we will share 5 tips to be considered if you want to choose red theme in the kitchen. First, you have to be sure what you are doing, or else the whole vibe of the kitchen will come crashing down before you choose red. Two, red is scientifically proven to be seen outstanding. It could lend a neat aesthetic ambience if you used correctly, and otherwise could go wrong. 3. You don't have to bathe your kitchen in all red. It might not look attractive and extravagant. Four, contrasting red with the right color can make for a stunning kitchen. 5. For example, this kitchen, though red is the theme, it blends with quite a lot of white as the primary color of choice. As a result, the red fixtures and furniture make it look much more appealing with a blend of white background. Hopefully useful, and thank you for watching.